If the dominant female dies or disappears, the entire family faces a serious problem. Without a female, there can be no new baby clownfish. But instead of searching for another female, nature has created an incredible backup plan. The largest male begins one of the most fascinating transformations in the animal world. Over the next several weeks, his body slowly changes. Hormones inside his body shift dramatically. His reproductive organs transform. His behavior changes too. Eventually, he becomes a fully functioning female capable of laying eggs. Meanwhile, the next largest male in the group moves up the social ladder and becomes her mate. Just like that, the family survives. Scientists call this process sequential hermaphroditism, specifically protandry, which means an animal starts life as a male and later changes into a female. Clownfish are among the best-known examples of this remarkable biological ability. What's even more surprising is that this isn't a random event. The change only happens when the dominant female is gone. As long as she remains healthy and in charge, none of the males will transform. Her presence actually helps control the social order through behavior and hormones. This system is incredibly efficient. Instead of wasting time searching for a new partner in the vast ocean, the group already has everything it needs. The strongest male simply becomes the new female, allowing reproduction to continue with almost no interruption. This clever strategy greatly increases the chances that the family will survive, especially in coral reefs where finding another clownfish can be difficult and dangerous. Clownfish also have fascinating family lives. After the female lays hundreds of tiny orange eggs on a flat rock near the anemone, the male takes over most of the parenting duties. He carefully fans the eggs with his fins to provide fresh, oxygen-rich water. He removes unhealthy eggs to stop disease from spreading and fiercely protects the nest from hungry predators. For about a week, he guards the eggs almost non-stop. When the babies finally hatch, they drift into the open ocean as tiny transparent larvae. Many won't survive because the ocean is full of predators. But the lucky ones eventually find their own sea anemone, settle into a new home, and begin the cycle all over again. Interestingly, every baby clownfish is born male. Only later, if circumstances require it, can one transform into a female. Once a clownfish becomes female, however, it cannot change back into a male. Scientists have studied clownfish for decades because their unique biology helps us understand how hormones influence development, reproduction, and social behavior in animals. Although humans cannot naturally change sex the way clownfish do, studying these fish provides valuable insights into the amazing flexibility of life on Earth. There are around 30 different species of clownfish living mainly in the warm waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, especially around coral reefs near Australia, Indonesia, the Philippines, and Papua New Guinea. Despite their clever adaptations, clownfish face growing challenges today. Climate change is warming the oceans, causing coral reefs to bleach and die. Pollution and plastic waste threaten marine life, while the aquarium trade has also affected some wild populations. Without healthy coral reefs and sea anemones, clownfish lose the homes they depend on. Fortunately, many conservation groups are working to protect coral reefs, reduce pollution, and encourage sustainable aquarium practices. Every effort to keep our oceans healthy also helps protect these incredible fish. Time you see a clownfish swimming through colorful coral, remember that you're looking at one of nature's greatest survival experts. Behind those bright orange stripes is an animal with a remarkable ability to adapt, protect its family, and ensure the next generation survives against the odds. Nature is full of unbelievable surprises, but few are as extraordinary as a tiny fish that can change from male to female, simply to save its family. And that might just make the clownfish one of the most amazing creatures in the entire ocean.